When a criminal case is pending, waiting for a judge's decision can feel endless. Whether it's a ruling on a motion, an appeal, or a big legal question like immunity, the delays can stretch for months. So, do judges have time limits to make a ruling in criminal cases? Let's verify. Our sources are the U.S. Constitution, the Alabama Constitution, and the Alabama Rules of Criminal Procedure. Here's what we found. According to the Alabama Rules of Criminal Procedure, trial courts in Alabama have a lot of leeway when it comes to ruling on motions. They're expected to decide without unnecessary delay, but the law doesn't spell out a specific time limit. Appellate courts, like the Alabama Supreme Court, have even more flexibility. While courts may have internal goals for issuing decisions, those aren't enforceable deadlines. Cases can sit under advisement for months or even years without breaking the law. So what protections exist to prevent endless delays? The Sixth Amendment in Alabama's Constitution guarantee the right to a speedy trial, but that protects defendants from unreasonable delays in going to trial, not from how long it takes a judge to issue a ruling. And when delays are caused by the defense, like filing appeals, the courts usually don't count that time against the prosecution. In rare situations, if a delay becomes extreme enough to violate due process, a defendant can file a mandamus petition asking a higher court to order a ruling, but those are rarely granted. In the Mac Marquette case, the Alabama Supreme Court heard oral arguments on his immunity appeal on January 28, 2026. As of now, they have not issued a ruling. There's no deadline forcing them to rule, and the case will remain at a standstill until the justices make their decision, which could take weeks or even months. This kind of delay is actually common in complex criminal appeals, even though it puts the entire prosecution on hold. So we can verify no, there is no time limit requiring judges to make rulings in criminal cases. While courts are expected to act within a reasonable time, what's considered reasonable varies widely, and there are no strict deadlines judges must follow.